my name is Julie and I've been in Goa for 10 years, and I've actually, since COVID lockdown, I've been feeding all the dogs at Cutbona fishing jetty for the past 5 years throughout the annual fishing ban and the monsoon. When the fishing ban is lifted, then we continue to feed. We do all the sterilizations of all the dogs. So up to date, we've sterilized nearly 200 dogs from the jetty. They've all been vaccinated against rabies, and many of them have had their 9-in-1 vaccine as well. We do many rescues and we treat a lot of dogs for injuries and various ailments on site at the jetty. So we're doing a lot of work. This is completely voluntary. The organisation is called PALM, that's Perseverance for Animals as All Lives Matter Trust. And we get a lot of people that support us, but we also get people that complain. They say the dogs are a menace, they're chasing the bikes, the dog population is increasing. So there's a few things that people can help with. One is they stop dumping dogs and puppies on the jetty. Secondly, they have to help us make the dogs friendly. There's no point shooing them away, scaring them. It's extremely hard for us to catch dogs that are not friendly and are scared of people. It makes our work so much harder. And I emphasize the fact that we're doing all of this voluntary. Come rain or shine, we are out here feeding dogs, sterilizing dogs and vaccinating dogs. We need more of the local community. Some people help us with feeding, some people support us a lot. But we need the local community to come forward and actually help us rather than keep on complaining about the dog menace. Please support us in any way you can. So whether it's through making the dogs friendly, through feeding, through sponsoring a vaccination, helping us catch for sterilization. We use nets, we do a lot of hand catching, we also set up the trap cage. Most of the time when dogs attack, it's due to some sort of human influence. So our behavior always influences the dogs. So if we start acting strange around the dogs, they will get suspicious. If we pick up sticks, if we go to hit them, if we throw stones, you know, if our behavior is aversive, then the dogs will become reactive to that. Dogs are always reacting to our behavior. So, you know, when a dog comes at you and it's perhaps showing, it's being reactive and it's showing aggressive behavior, the best thing to do is just to stand still, be calm, not react to the dog. If you're scared, then look at your phone, take your eyes, avert your eyes away from the dog. That's the best advice that we can give. And I always say to people, if you just carry a few biscuits in your pocket, if a dog starts barking at you and going for you, just crumble the biscuits, just gently drop them on the floor, don't throw them at the dog, you know, just put them down beside you. You only need to do that twice, the dog will start to make a positive association